Hi, Stephanie and Derek Evelo here with the Evelo Team at Keller Realty. Today we're excited to introduce you to three special guests that we think are going to give you some insight and help parents in making a move. And mind you, this is completely off the cuff, so no practice or no scripts have been stated here. So here we go. Let us introduce you to our three special guests. And today I have also a special guest, Eli Evelo. So Eli, can you tell us from a kid's point of view, what advice would you give to parents that are thinking about making a move from a kid's point of view?
Well, you kind of want to have a very good, make sure what the kids want, and make sure you suit their needs and your needs, and have an anonymous compromise, and make sure you all agree on the same thing for your house, neighborhood, school, everything.
Okay, is there anything specific that would be important to you as a kid looking
For me, I would
home?
For me, it would be to have a good neighborhood, meet new friends, just have a great relationship with everyone at school, and just everything like that. So.
Okay, so today I have special guest Andrew Evelo. So Andrew, can you tell us what advice would you give to parents who are thinking about making a move? What are some things that parents should consider from a kid's point of view?
Well, first you have to have enough square feet for your house that you want. Second, you have to have a good listing price, a good price for the house you're buying. Third, you have to make the kids happy with a good neighborhood, good neighbors, a good star school with a good education. And then fourth is that the kids have to be satisfied and happy with their house. They have to have a good backyard and a good bedroom and their good room size.
Okay, anything else that parents should consider for kids? Anything else that will be important for kids when they're looking for either a house or where they're looking for a house?
A good house that's by nice neighbors and lots of kids nearby so the kids can play.
Okay.
Make new friends.
Thank you for joining us today.
You're welcome.
Okay, today we have Andrew Evelo as one of our special guests. And Andrew, could you tell us from a kid's perspective, what advice would you give to parents who are thinking about going and looking for a new home or looking to buy a home? What advice would you give to a parent as a kid perspective?
I would say enough room for your kid to move around and play. Neighbors like kids so they can play with outside. And other after school activities like sports or like any clubs that they want to be in with their schools.
So you think that would be important for parents to look at the schools or what things that the schools offer?
The neighborhood.
And the neighborhood, okay. What would be important to the neighborhood for the kids? What would be important?
Other kids around them.
Oh, to find out if other kids are in the neighborhood?
Yeah.
To play with them?
And
anything else you think would be important for kids, from a kid's perspective?
just enough room to move around and be free.
In the house or outside the house?
Both.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so today I have another special guest with us, Andrew Evelo. And Evelo. Hi, and today we have three special guests with us.
All right. I ain't ready.
Stephanie.
Okay, sorry.